Hello, good morning once again. Bakit good morning? Kasi palaging fresh pag good morning daw. Nevin Kanitan is here and we are here still at soccer field. Malamig dito ngayon at napaka-fresh yung air. Kumusta po kayong lahat? So, we have a bonding now with my voice and it is part of our mental wellness break. Sarap malabasan ng maraming pawis. So kanina nag-basketball tayo for 2 games and we are now konting sipa sa field. Ganda yung field, maraming tumatakbo dito ngayon, maraming sinaw. Butas. So sa mga enthusiast sa physical fitness dyan, we will continue this journey and enjoy every moment kasi it is a very healthy activity and it is more on fun with our loved ones. So ito yung mga kasama ko, mga migo. Kapoy, tanawa. Ngit kayo mga kinanglan magud nato nga sabay ani mga batanon para batanon po natong kusog ba. Diba? Yun lang for this evening. Please like and follow. Bye.